Still getting charged for a gym membership you don't use? Let's fix that today. Here's how to cancel your membership at Planet Fitness step by step. First, know that most memberships are tied to your home club. Your contract explains how cancellation works. You must usually cancel through the club you joined. The easiest method is canceling in person. Ask the staff for a cancellation form. Fill in your name, membership details, and signature. Always request written confirmation. Take a photo of the form as proof. Cancel before your next billing date to avoid another charge. If you can't visit, you can cancel by mail. Include your name, address, and cancellation request. Send it by certified mail so you have proof. Keep the receipt for your records. You should receive confirmation once processed. Some clubs allow online cancellation. Check if a cancel option appears in your account. If not, your club requires in-person or mail cancellation. Watch for the annual fee date. Most memberships require a 30-day notice. Check your bank account after cancellation. Call the club if you don't receive confirmation. Remember, cancel early, keep proof, verify billing stops. Once confirmed, your membership is officially ended. No more surprise charges. Always review terms before signing future memberships. Hit like if this saved you money. Comment if you want help cancelling another service. Thanks for watching and stay in control of your subscriptions.